Thank you for stepping into the world of your girl, Sade Jackson, the realtor. So, who is ready to hear how they can save thousands of dollars when purchasing their home through programs that offer you help towards your down payment? But before we get into the juice of this topic, take some time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, share this video with someone whom you think can benefit from it. Now, let's get into the thick of it. When you think about saving thousands of dollars out of your pocket when purchasing a home, it sounds like a true miracle. And we know that. We love for some miracles to rain down on me. Now, with that said, some might ask if down payment assistance is the true miracle that it's made out to be, or if it's only a miracle towards certain situations. The big excitement of down payment assistance is because that can be one of the bigger hurdles that home buyers have to get over when buying a home and applying for a mortgage, and especially first-time home buyers. Depending on your loan type, you may have to put down as much as 20% of the purchase price of that home. And to give you a good idea of those figures, here's a scenario. Let's say you have a final purchase price of $220,000 with a 20% down payment rate. That comes out to be $44,000 that you would be expected to have at closing. I know. Now, good thing is that majority of mortgage loans don't require 20% down. In fact, most require 3.5 to 3% down. Though that significantly lowers the amount of cash needed, it can still be quite a bit to come up with. Even with such a low down payment, we see that at times clients still need some assistance. Good news is that states, nonprofit organizations, and lenders offer several down payment assistance programs. So now the question is, what is down payment assistance? What down payment assistance programs are designed to do is make it easier for home buyers to collect the funds they need for a down payment. So, exactly how does down payment assistance work? There are several down payment assistance programs offered through governmental agencies and public groups that will either waive that down payment requirement altogether or provide the funds to cover them on their own. Your lender should be well versed in the programs if they offer them. So you want to definitely inquire with them to see how their programs work and if they have them. To give you a good idea, let's first talk about the two types of programs. You have DPA grants, down payment assistance grants, and DPA loans, down payment assistance loans. When we hear grant, I think automatically we hear free money, 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 because essentially that's what it is. DPA grants are the best option for homeowners looking for help because you never have to repay a down payment grant. But just like everything else, you must qualify first. To qualify, typically you must meet income requirements, meaning that your yearly income can't be too high. Or you may even have to promise to live in the home for a certain amount of years or work in a certain profession like teaching or law enforcement, and may even need to attend some type of classes that will abreast you with becoming a homeowner. So let's say you qualify for a grant. Remember, free money. Free money, free money, hey. And you need $15,000 for your down payment. A grant program might give you the entire $15,000 that you won't have to pay back. But some other programs may only grant you part of the money. You may receive a grant for $10,000, but your down payment is $15,000. That means you still have to come up with the other $5,000. Next up, we have down payment assistance loans. You have two types of loans. You have forgivable loans and deferred payment loans. Forgivable loans is just as it sounds, a loan that's forgiven and you don't have to pay it back. These loans tend to come with 0% interest and, of course, are the most attractive. Forgivable loans do require you to meet certain criteria. Just like the grant, you might have to agree to live in the home for a certain number of years or work in a specific profession for a certain amount of time. Woo! All right, now, if you're learning something, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Then there is deferred payment loans. This one is not the most appealing compared to the grant and the forgivable loan. With this type, you won't have to pay back until several years after borrowing the money. So you will have to pay it back, but just not until some time after. This will allow you time to build up your savings and settle into that new home that you've just acquired. Though it will have to be paid back, it also has 0% interest, which means no interest costs will be on you. While these loans help you with your down payment by giving you the lump sum of money after you close on the loan, you still must meet requirements. And if you act outside of their guidelines, you will have to pay it back. As we discussed, DPA loans may require you to live in the home for at least 5 years. And if you were to move earlier than that, you would have to pay back your forgivable loan. Other DPA loans may require you to work a number of years in a specific profession, like teaching. If you leave too soon, then you will have to pay the money back. So it's important to make sure you meet the forgivable down payment loan requirements. While I know that majority of homeowners are ready to apply, but unfortunately, it's not open to all homeowners because you must qualify first. Qualifications may vary, and some DPA programs cater only to first-time home buyers, while others require for you to purchase a home in a particular area or neighborhood, maybe one that needs more homeowners. These qualifications might also ask for you to have a certain credit score. Usually, the score has to be at least a 600. And if you've achieved the desired 620 credit score that many lenders sanction as ideal, then guess what? You are already there. Another thing many people want to know is, how much funding can I get? And that really just depends on your state. See, while some states give you a percentage of the final purchase price of the home, other states like New York gives a flat dollar amount and caps at $15,000. With all that said, y'all keep this in mind. It is normal to need or even want down payment assistance. Gathering the funds for a down payment can be a lot, especially for a first-time home buyer. With the cost of houses steadily increasing, you want to know what that causes? It causes the amount of the down payment to increase as well. Saving for a down payment is not easy, and the support of down payment assistance can really make home ownership a reality for some people. If DPA sounds like a program that you would like to take advantage of, your lender will be able to provide you with more information on which programs will be best for you. Now, if it's one thing about me, I definitely don't want to give you just the sweet side of any topic. There are many more things to know about DPA, down payment assistance, that may sway your judgment on getting it or not. If you'd like to see a video on the pros and the cons of DPA, let me know. Put it in the comment section below. And like always, thank you for stepping into the world of your girl, Sade Jackson, the realtor. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos to someone whom you think can benefit from them. Until next time, beautiful people.